Welcome to Hannah and Ellie in Happy World.
Hi Ellie. Hi. Today we are going to break eggs. Can you tell me the color? This one?
Orange, red,
This one?
purple,
Mm-hmm.
green, blue, yellow.
Yellow. Yes. Which one you want to break first? Can you tell? Can you count? Can you count, Anna? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, we have 6 eggs. Okay, now let's see what's inside.
Candle,
Oh, it's a yellow candle. Okay, put it at the side. Let's knock a second egg. Which one do you want to knock?
No.
Oops. It's a shape. Bull shapes. Shapes are everywhere.
Orange, button.
See? Oh, button. Orange button. What color is that? Red. It's a clip. A clothes peg.
Purple.
Purple bag. Yeah, how about this? The last one is, what color is that?
No.
Knock knock. Green egg.
Purple.
Pom pom ball. Green pom pom. Bye.